Hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn multiplying multi-digit numbers, algorithm method, mental math, and parcel product. We will learn three different methods for multiplication. This video is part of my Udemy online course. So if you like this video, please enroll in that course. I will write down link in description so you can enroll free for 3 days. It will expire coupon on October 20th. You will get step-by-step instruction video for each problem. There is practice problem set and final exam. So you will get practice and you will be good on multiplication. Also, you will get lifetime access for this course. So let's see how we will use these three methods for multiplication. So first thing, we have 52 times 8. So let's see, we will do algorithm method first. We have 52 times 8. So that is our algorithm method, old-fashioned method. That's how we learn. So we will do just 8 times 2 is 16. So I will write down 1 here. What is 6? 1 in 16? 6. And I will carry 1 here. 8 times 5 is 40 plus 1 is 41. So my answer is 416. Now let's see, we will do parcel product. So how we will do parcel product is we have 52, right? So we can see here how many tens we have. We can write in expanded form. So how many tens we have? 5. So what is value for 5 is 50. And how many ones we have? 2. So we will get 2. So instead of 52, we can write 50 plus 2, and we will just do times by 8. Right, so now you can use distributive property. And why we are using this method? Because it's friendly numbers, right? 50, 60, 20, 10 timetable is always easy to do multiplication. So you can do distributive property like this. 50 times 8 is 400 and 2 times 8 is 16. Now you can simply just add them. You will get 416. Now also this parcel product, you can just organize little bit different ways. We have 52, right? So 52, we can write 50 and 2. We can make table here. Also, I can call this method is table method. And we have here, we have just one digit, 8, right? So now here, what we will multiply in this box, what we will multiply by. So we can see we have this box is corresponds to 50 and 8. So I can do 50 times 8. So simply you can do 5 times 8 is 40, and I will just add 1 0. So it will become 400. Now in second box, what we will do here is we can see here what numbers corresponds here. We can say it will come with 2 and 8. So 8 times 2 is 16. And now I will just take 400 and 16. So I can add them. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 1 is 1 and 4. So that's how you can use parcel product by table method or by distributing property. Now, how you will use mental math? Let's see mental math, how we can do it. It's 52, right? So right away, I can see 52. So we have 5 times 8, right, is 40. That means we need to do 50 times 8. So I will say 400 in my head, and I will say 2 times 8 is 16. So now you can just add 400 plus 16 is 416. That will be your answer. So either method you can use it. Let's see here, second problem. Now you can pause this video and try your own, and let's see you are getting correct answer. So first thing we will do algorithm method. Here 86 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. We have carry 2. And 4 times 8 is 32 plus 2 is 34. Now let's see real quick we can do mental math or not. We have 86 times 4. So how I will think about what is value of 8 here? It's on tens place value. That means we have value for 8 is 80. So I will just simplify, like I will think about 80 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. So we have 80 times 4 is 320. And then I will just do 6 times 4 is 24. Look at this. Then we can add them 4 and 3. Simply, we can get answer. Now you can use parcel method, by table method, or distributive property. Either way you can do it, however you feel comfortable. But make sure you will organize your paper. I highly recommend for that. So we have 86 times 4. So let's see, 86. How we will write in expanded form? How many tens we have? 8. So value for 8 is 80 and we have ones is 6. So 80 plus 6 is 86. So now we can just do table. You can write down 86 is 80 plus 6. You can make table. And here we can write 4. So now we can see here, see we have 80 times 4 here, right? 8 times 4 is 32. And we will add 1 0. And next we have 4 times 6 is 24. Now what you need to do is you will just add them. 320 plus 24 is 4. And 2 plus 2 is 4. And here is 3. So either way, you will get same answer. All right. Let's see next problem we have. Here we have 2 digit by 2 digit. So how we can do this problem? We have algorithm method. We have 54 times 67. So now we have algorithm method first. So we can do multiplication with 7, which is on ones place value. So I will do 7 times 4 and 7 times 5. 7 times 4 is 28. So we will carry 2. 7 times 5, 35 plus 2. 35 plus 2 is 37. Now here we need to remember we are multiplying by 60 because it's on tens place value. So I have to make placeholder here for ones. So 6 times 4 is 24 and I will carry 2. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 2 is 32. And now we can add them. Here is 8, 7 plus 4 is 11. We can carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And here is 3. So we found answer 3618. Now we can do here is table method, or we can say parcel product. So 54, right? So now we have both numbers, they are 2 digit number. So we can write in expanded form. 50, we have 5 tens, so 50 and 4 ones. We have 67, so we have 6 tens and 7 ones. So now we can make table here. When we have 2 digit to 2 digit method, it's better to write in table method. So 54, it doesn't matter, you will write horizontally or vertically. It doesn't matter which number you want to write anywhere. Either way we can write. So let's say we have first number, we have 50 and here we have 4. So we will get 2 column here. In 67 we can write 60 and 7. So we will get row here. Now in this box, what we will write here? What we will write here? So you can see this box is along with 60 times 50. right? If we have 0 in end, they are friendly numbers, right? For tens. So we can see 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 5 is 30. And then we have two zeros, 1 and two zeros, so I will add two zeros. So we have answer is 3,460 times 50. Now on this class here, we can write 50 times 7. So 7 times 5 is 35. And we have 1 0. Now on this plus here, we have 60 times 4. So 6 times 4 is 24, and we will add 1 0. And here we will get 7 times 4 is 28. Now what you can do is, you can add this number by column and then you add row, or you can write all together on a side. We have 3,000 plus 350, 240, and 28. Now we can add all together. We have 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And we have 3 here. So we will get exactly same answer. Now, if you need to do mental math, you need to do a couple different things if you are really good in addition. So you can think about, you will take 50, right? So you need to multiply each one. So you do 50 times 60, which is 3,000. Then you can do 50 times 7 is 350. Then you will take 4 and you multiply again. So you will think in your head, I will get 3,350 from here. Then you need to add 6 times 40, 60 times 4 is 240. And 4 times 7 is 28. Then you can add them again. So 9 plus 2, 11, and 6 here and 3. So either way, you will get exactly same answer. All right. Everyone has notebook, right? Notebook and pen. In math, always we need notebook to write. Next one, we have 3-digit to 2-digit. So we will use algorithm method first. 564 times 27. Then I can see 7 is on ones place value. I will multiply 7 to each digit. 7 times 4 is 28. We will carry 2. 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 2 is 44. We will carry 4. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 4. 35 plus 4 is 39. Now we need to multiply by 2, which is on tens place value. That means we are multiplying by 10. So I have to make placeholder here for ones. Then you can do multiplication. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 6 is 12. And we will carry 1. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. And now we can add again. 8 plus 0 is 8. Make sure you will line up each digit. Make sure you line up everything. Otherwise, you will add them wrong. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And here is 1. So we found answer is 15,228. Now we can do this with parcel product. So we have 564. We have 3-digit number. So we will just write down in expanded form. Now we have 5 is on hundreds place value. So what is value for 5? 500. What is value for 6? 60. And what is value for 4? 4. And for 27, we can write in expanded form 20 plus 7. All right. Also, you can use this, you can multiply this both of this, then you will take 60 and multiply both, and 4 and you can multiply by 20 and 7. Either way you can do it, but when we have multi-digit, it's better to do table method. Now again, we can write either number either way. Let's say we have 500 here, 60 and 4. I will get here 20, and next one is 7. And I see I have 3 digit and 2 digits, so I will get more digit here, so I had to keep more space to write. So now in this box, what I will get? 5 times 2 is 10. And then how many zeros we will get? 1, 2, and 3. So here we have 10,000. Then for next one, 500 times 7. 5 times 7 is 35. And we have 2 zeros. So here we will get 3,500. Also, I will take care of comma. After each 3 digit, we do comma. So it's easy to add them in end. 60 times 20. So 6 times 2 is 12. And we have 2 zeros. Then we have here is 7 times 6 is 42. And add 1 zero. Next one here we have 20 times 4, which is 80. And 7 times 4 is 28. Now we can add all together, all these numbers. We have to make sure we will line up. 10,000 plus 3,500. Next one we have 1,200. Next one we have 420. We have 80. And we have 28. Now we can add them. 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. And carry 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And here is 1. So we have answer is 15,228. Same thing, mental math. If you are really good in addition, if you will keep practicing, then you'll be good. You can do mental math. You will just think about 500 times 20, then 500 times 7. You just multiply to each. All right. So I'm pretty sure everyone has correct answer, right? All right. So everyone likes this video, please subscribe my channel and hit on bell icon and enroll now for Udemy course. You will get entire course, you will get lifetime access for this course, and you will get step-by-step instruction. All right, very good. Bye, have a good one.